The Cubot King Kong Mini 3 is a tiny rugged phone with really nice design and cool features. Cubot, I think, announced this phone a few days ago, and today is the smartphone's official launch date. I think the price is about $130. I think you can even get it for less than the price that I just mentioned. I'll probably put a link in the video description, an affiliate link that you can use if you wish to buy the phone. The phone is, like I said earlier, tiny, or should I say compact. At the back of the phone there's this really cool design, and the phone seems to have a single camera, and there's also a flash right below the camera. On the right side there's a power button and volume keys. On the other side there's probably the SIM and SD card slots. I don't know if the phone has a customizable key or not. Many rugged devices, in fact almost all rugged devices, have customizable keys. Perhaps this phone also have a customizable key, but I cannot confirm that for now. So in terms of specs, the phone has a tiny 4.5-inch display. It ships with the Android 12 OS. It utilizes 6GB RAM and there's 128GB onboard storage. It has a tiny battery backup as well, 3000 mAh battery. This is the smallest battery that I've seen any rugged device have, guys. It is powered by the Helio G85 chip. And in terms of camera, like I mentioned earlier, the phone has a single camera at the rear. It's a 20 megapixel camera. There's a 5 megapixel camera at the front for selfies. Other features includes NFC. It is water resistant and dust proof. So it seems like it supports IP68 rating, but I don't know if it's rated IP69K. So these are some of the key details of the Cubot King Kong Mini 3. What are your thoughts about this new device from Cubot? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.